Presario V6000 laptop. There is no display in this laptop. So the customer said that he spilled tea over this laptop. See here, these are the traces of tea spillage. You can also see here. Here, see this. So no display is generating on this laptop. Uh, this is a 3 volt and 5 volts PCU voltage section. 3 volts and 5 volts are generated over here. They are getting generated. So there is no problem in this 3 volts and 5 volts PCU. So first of all, I will clean this spillage. You can use petrol for this or any kind of thinner. Just rub it with the toothbrush. See, all clean. So this is an IC PU5. This is G966 IC. So the role of this IC is to change 2.5 volts power source, 3.2 sorry, to change power source 3.3 volt PCU to 3.3 volts SUS voltage. This IC changes 3 volts PCU to 3 volts SUS. So there is a dry solder in this area, just a dry solder. Components are fine, so just reflow this with a hot air gun. Alright, I will reflow just with this. I will reflow with it with the hot air gun. This is the problem. See, when we power it on, first see the voltage rail. I have powered it on 0.61 amperes, 0.65 amperes, and it doesn't goes beyond this 0.65 amperes. So to generate a display, minimum 0.80 or 1 ampere current rating is required. So in this laptop it is not getting beyond 0.63 amperes. See here, it is powered on but no display over here. Alright, see the reflow process. Set the heater to appropriate heat and airflow. This is a flux which I use. It is a liquid flux. Now due to winters it has hardened. Apply this flux to the area over which you want to reflow. Alright, it will melt and get spread over the areas. So see, from this height I use this hot air gun. You can see the flux melting all this area. I will melt the solder and all the components will get reflown. These transistors, resistors, capacitors, most important the IC, this IC. Okay, so as I have now reflown this area, this one, this IC, and these transistors, resistors and capacitors, all this area I have reflown this with a hot air gun. So now let us check. See, now I am powering it on, and just watch the voltage rail, current rail, sorry. Now 0.61, 0.73, 0.86, 0.77, 1.02 amperes. And the display is generated. See here. Starting Windows. Watch again. Now power on. The display is there. The current rating is 1.5, 1.67, 1.75 with full load. The battery isn't connected. When the battery will be connected, the current rating will go beyond 2 amperes, 2.5 amperes. See here. It was just a dry solder in this area. I put a flux here, liquid flux, over all the components in this area and reflowed it with a hot air gun, and then cleaned it after with the same solution with petrol, and now it is working fine. This video, see here. All right, thank you.